Hello class 8, a very good morning to you all. I have already explained in my previous audio of English language about an essay and its type. Today I will explain you how to write an essay on a particular topic. The steps that are as follows. First, select a topic. You may be given a specific essay topic or you may be told to write your essay on a topic of your choice. Second, conduct research. Third, determine your audience. Fourth, create an outline. Fifth, begin your essay. Sixth, write conclusion. Seventh, show causes or effect. Seventh, compare new concept to familiar ones. If you are going to write an essay on Eid or any other festival, whenever asked to write on, you should first introduce the particular topic. For example, Eid is the festival of Muslims. This is the introduction given to the festival. After that, you have to write about the Muslims, how they have celebrated the month of Ramadan while fasting during this month. How do they celebrate? The celebration take place when Eid comes. How the people of world celebrate Eid after keeping fast for 30 days. Let me explain furthermore. Hope you all have understood about the festival celebration. The main part is how to write an essay. I have explained it to you. Eid is one of the greatest festival of Muslim. It is celebrated to mark the end of Ramadan. Eid is an Arabic word meaning festivity, while Fitr means breaking the fast. It was during the month of Ramadan that Holy Quran was revealed to Prophet Muhammad. It is celebrated all over the world by all the Muslims. The Muslim fast during the month of Ramadan. At the end of the month, Eid is celebrated with feast. For Muslim, the festival of Eid al-Fitr is occasion of showing gratitude to God and remembering Him. Muslims all over the world make great preparation for the festival of Eid al-Fitr. All Muslims buy new clothes when the new moon is seen just after the fast for 30 days. The next day Eid is declared. All look very happy on this day. They wake up early in the morning, clean their teeth, have a bath, wear the best of clothing which one possesses, and also apply itr. Eid prayer is performed in open areas like fields, community centers, etc. or at mosque. After the prayers, Muslims visit their relative and friend on Eid. Gifts were also given to children and immediate relatives. On this day, we prepare sweet dish called Sivai. This festival is celebrated by all the Muslims living in any of the country. This is all about the essay. Now, hope you all have understood it carefully about the festival and its celebration. In future, when you ask to write about any festival like Diwali, Dashera, Holi, Christmas, Good Friday, Lohri, or any other festival, you have to write all about the festival and its origin. Reason, when do we celebrate, how do the celebration take place. For example, Diwali, we wear new clothes on this day, firecrackers, make so many kinds of dishes. As similar to the Eid festival, we wear new clothes and make Sivai is a sweet dish to celebrate the festival of Eid. This is all about the festival. If you are asked to write about Green Revolution, health is wealth, mother, cricket, or any other topic which you ever had studied about it but know about it, you all need to do is just have to take relevant detail on a particular topic and start writing on it. But the step must be mentioned in the essay as I have already explained it to you earlier. Okay, thank you so much class. Try to listen it carefully to understand it well, because listening is more important than writing and reading. Hello class.